Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Project 996. In this video, Pat is going to be taking out the coils and the spark plugs from our 996. We've got replacements we're going to put in. Hopefully it's a pretty straightforward job. Pat's doing a great job so far. Steve's having a day off today. He's guiding, he's advising, he's eating burgers.
Powder coaters. I'm doing leg work today. Yeah. Not wrench work.
Whatevs.
Alright, so we're going to be working on replacing the coil packs on this car. There's a number of ways that you can go about doing it. We're going to be approaching it probably the easiest way. We've taken off the bumper, we've taken off the mufflers. This has given us full access to where we need to work. You can do it without taking those pieces off, but expect to spend probably 3 to 4 times more doing the job. Or, again, take it to somebody and have it done. But right now, first part of the task is to get the heat shield off. Heat shield is held on with 2 bolts, and these are 10 millimeter bolts. So from here, we'll get this off, and then we'll get into taking the coil packs off. Alright, so the next set is on each one of these coil packs there's a little rubber boot. You got to slide that little rubber boot up and out of the way. And then there's a little button on the top that you got to press in and slide up. And then that's up and off. And then we are clear. Now we're going to use a T30 star bit. Torx. And then 2 of those.
So while Pat's working on that, Steve, tell us why we don't need to use the tubes that we thought we were gonna need to use, which we've bought, which were like, you know, what, $10 each or something? But
Yeah, I think they worked out to be like 60 bucks. So what happened is normally, and this is on my car, which is the same generation, it's the Boxster, 986 versus 996. There's tubes that go in the the head that goes down to the spark plug to prevent oil leaking. These have sleeves in them, so they don't need tubes. So I haven't seen this. Pat says it's just like his 997. So maybe it's because this is a second gen 996 that they made that change. I don't know when they made the change from the plastic tubes with the O-rings to just having sleeves in the block itself. So that was real interesting.
Once we get that out, it should slide out and pop out.
cool.
Alright, so we're going to be removing the spark plug. We got a spark plug socket in there. We got about a 5-inch extension. So we're just going to get it in there. Start removing spark plug 1. It doesn't look too bad. All right. Nice and easy. Don't cross thread it. Don't cross thread it.
Okay, so here we are definitely way past 15 minutes into this job that Pat said, quote unquote, was easy. And he is dicking around. What are you doing? Like seriously, he's been at this for like half an hour and he's done one coil pack and plug. Are you still, wait.
One coil pack and plug, and one bolt.
Hey, I put a spark plug in.
Well, whoop-de-doo, Pat.
Could do nothing.
So what I said is I said, just because this job gives you 4 hours on the books, doesn't mean you have to take it.
Pat, is being on camera upside down helping or not?
No.
Is this helping?
Not even close.
Is this helping?
No.
I think he just dropped something. Oh, I think he might have thrown something at me. You all right, Pat?
I'm fine.
He's good.
He's gonna kill me. All right, bye, everybody. Oh, it's gonna make for a good video, Patrick.
You know, if it weren't for friends,
I wouldn't have any fun.
wouldn't that be fun? Yeah, we're having fun.
Just that 3 years ago.
We're having fun.
So there are 2 bolts holding every coil pack in place. You pull out the coil pack, you take out the spark plug, and then put the spark plug back in, and the coil pack, and so on. In this video, we're just showing you one of them in detail as we work around the outside of the car. But that's essentially it. Nice to know that we're gonna have fresh spark plugs, fresh coil packs in the car, ready for when we get to start it up in a couple of weeks once the transmission arrives. So that's it, pretty much it for this video. Check in for more podcasts, more Project 9996. Check in for more 9999999996 videos. Check in soon for more 996 videos here at Project 996 with me, James, Steve, and Pat. Catch you soon. Take care. Bye. Come the fuck along, Patrick.
Seriously.
You too. You guys are nice.
This is not fun to watch.
You know what? It's hard work sitting in these beautiful chairs.
You just don't want tools thrown at your head, do you?